Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I just want to give you a quick overview of my setup for watching over-the-air TV stations. That little box there is my converter box. I don't have a TV up here that has capability of receiving and decoding over-the-air TV signals, so I had to buy that little box. Yeah, I got it from Amazon. It's an iView 3300 STB. It's on sale right now for $26, and it's got a lot of features, including you can set it up as a DVR. You add a memory stick there in that slot in the front there, and it will record videos for you, just like your cable box. And what I want to do is quickly show you the kind of signals you can receive over the air. Now, you've seen my numerous over-the-air antenna test results. Well, this is the setup I use, and that little box has an output of HDMI. So I can use one of my monitors that I have in my office here to watch the stations. So I'm going to move the camera over to one of my monitors, which is right now. Let me raise this up a little bit because it has a tendency to want to go back down. So there it is. The picture is fabulous. And the picture, although this particular monitor doesn't do a good job of it because it's not super high resolution, but the over-the-air signals, some of them are super high definition, some are not, but the super high definition, which is 1080i, I think it is, the signal is not compressed in any way like it is when it comes from your cable company. So it is a much, much better signal and picture. Again, this particular monitor is not the best monitor in the world. It's just my setup to do this testing. So it doesn't really show you how good it can be. And we got a scanner going here. Let me mute that all the way. There we go. Get that scanner so it's not breaking in. Here is the remote. Like I say, it's got a lot of functions. And you can get all kinds of information that comes along with the signal. For instance, if I push the info button, oops, I got to point it at the receiver. There it tells you what's on this particular station. It also tells you the resolution. This is only 720. This particular signal's only 720. It can go up to 1080. So it would get even better. If I use this other function called EPG, let me push the button here. I'll get my finger on it. There shows you a programming guide of this particular channel on this transmitter and all the things that's going to be on it, just like you have on your cable TV guide. And you can scroll down through it. And when you stop, let me just stop there. Over there on the right-hand side, it gives you detailed information of what that particular show is about. And it shows there, it's showing you one of 5 pages. Can you believe that? So lots of information, much more than you get on your cable TV box. So let's go back. Let me exit button right there. And so now we can go through the channels. This is just one of the transmitters that I've able to receive. It's designated transmitter 38, and this is sub-channel 1. Look at that picture. And that's only 720p. Okay, let's go on. Yeah, that is a nice picture. So there is an indication of the signal strength there. And I got it muted, of course. So let's go up channels. There's two. There's what's called Cozy TV, which is old shows. Again, we can hit this button right here, and it's got Murder, She Wrote, McCloud, Columbo, Quincy, lots of old stuff. If you're into old stuff, that's the way to go. You can get lots of old stuff. So we're going to exit here, and then we'll go up another channel. This is just one transmitter. So there's like, I think it's HSN, Shopping Network. I'm just going to go through a couple of these. There's a lots of them. I think I was able to, I'm using the Antop big boy outside antenna right now. Actually, it's indoors, outdoors, and I got it outside. I just reviewed that the last video or so ago. That's 480i. Trying to see if I can find a 1080. Probably not. So you can see now the transmitter number has changed. I'm on 44 now, which is a different transmitter. Lots of old stuff, lots of new stuff. That's looks like a Spanish station. Again, I'm keeping the audio off. Can I go through this quickly? It takes a little bit of time for it to respond. Like I say, this is a cheap one, $25. It's got all these functions. So you're up to 66 already. And like I say, this, when I did a scan with that antenna that I got on, I think I got 89 different channels. Okay, I'm just going to see if I can find a 1080. .480, 1080, there's a 1080. So that's WFLA, which is one of the local network. I think that's NBC. So you can get all your network stations. And of course, there's lots of variables, so what you get might be totally different where you live, you know, what kind of trees and buildings you got around you. Let's just do the guide here real quick. So there we go. News, Channel 8 News. And I like this guide with all this detailed information. Let's see. It says to page down, hit 3. Is that right? Yeah, see, there's 5 pages just on this one program. 5 pages of information on this one program. You won't get that on your cable guide. So I just wanted to show you what you actually receive. I think this is a great alternative to paying high-priced cable bills. Now you don't, of course, you don't get any movie channels. You know, those are paid. But boy, you get a lot of other stuff. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.